Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 26th. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly euro dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish on these very, very high time frames. I still think we're either going to go up into the 123, 100% Fibonacci extension for a running flat wave C, or possibly even an expanding flat wave C, which would likely take us up to the 178, 161.8, probably taking out these previous highs. Not really too important yet to really know the difference, because either way should lead to a pretty big uptrend. Going down to the weekly time frame, I'm still watching the 78%. I do have an alternative count that would take us below these lows right here, and it would still be a wave 2, but we're definitely watching that 78% to see if it does end up ending a wave 2 there and end up going back up for a big old wave 3. I still think this is a 1, I still think this is a 2, and I still think it's eventually going to go up for a wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still looking at this as a possible wave 1. Until it actually breaks below this 78%, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible wave 2. If price does go up and break structure, that's going to prove to me the wave 2 is over, and that's going to prove to me that we're back into an uptrend for a big old wave 3. If it doesn't go up and break structure, which it definitely has not done yet, then we definitely should be continuing to look for short entries at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. So taking it all down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're definitely looking for shorts right now because the trend is down on all our roadmap time frames. This right here does kind of resemble an ABC correction. I got my Fibonacci retracement out here. If it does make a very impulsive move up, engulfs the previous candle, then I definitely would take it as a long, and it definitely could go up and break the previous highs. I personally think because the trend is down that it more likely is going to go down, and it more likely is going to take out these previous lows, like I was showing on the daily time frame. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we do have a 78% fib bounce, which the 78% is an area of resistance. Whether it turns or not there is a different question. I personally think unless this thing makes an extremely impulsive move up and eventually starts breaking structure, that I am definitely only looking for shorts in a downtrend. If it makes another little three-way pullback, especially on a shorter time frame, makes an impulsive move down, I would continue to look for shorts. The only thing that's going to turn me into a buyer right now is seeing price go up and take out structure. Until that happens, I am definitely looking for sells, especially on shorter time frames at the end of three-way pullbacks, for the continuation of what I still think is a wave 2 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, which will give you access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.